In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the zoom level increment on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel. And then on the right side, underneath vision, you want to go down and select where it says magnifier. And then you can adjust the zoom level by going up or down by selecting the plus or minus sign. And then you can adjust the zoom increment as well by clicking the drop down here and change how fast or slow the zoom will incrementally go up or down based on your scroll wheel. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.